Hi everyone, Ali Flores here again with OrlandoVacation.com, and it's time for another cool video to help you out when you plan your vacation. All right, Disney announced that in late 2023 they will be opening an all-new attraction inspired by the movie Moana. It was also made clear that this newest attraction will be located at EPCOT and named Journey of Water. But before we get into that journey, let's go ahead and hit that that bell icon and the subscribe button. Yeah, go ahead and do that. That way you can get notified of new and helpful videos for planning your next Orlando vacation. I'll give you a second. Go ahead. Thanks. According to Disney, this attraction will be the first ever experience inspired by the Walt Disney Animation Studios hit film. Where is Moana attraction going to be? It's a good question, I'll answer it. There was a lot of speculation about where exactly the Moana attraction would be in EPCOT. Some fans were even under the impression that it would replace Journey into an Imagination. But we know now that's not true. It will be in the middle of what used to be the heart of Future World behind Spaceship Earth. What does Moana attraction at EPCOT promise? First off, this attraction will be an exploration trail instead of a ride. It will be a water maze where guests interact with magical and living water in an awe-inspiring setting. A walk-through environment will be designed in an engaging and educational backdrop where guests will learn about the water cycle and how it is essential for our world. There will also be a large statue of Te Fiti inside. When's it opening? Moana's Journey of Water is one of the projects that were planned to debut for Walt Disney's 50th anniversary, but then Walt Disney's months-long closure stopped those plans in their tracks. Officially, no debut date was announced by Disney World, but we know now after D23 that it is aimed to be open in late 2023. Beyond that, we find it hard to predict anything since the previous delays, slower pace of construction, and constantly evolving EPCOT transformation plans have changed all the older plans previously announced. Whenever this attraction opens up, there is a strong chance that people will be rushing to it to experience all that is new and unique. The key is to buy the tickets early so that increased demand doesn't hike the price and dampen your vacation plan. Couple that with discount Orlando attraction tickets, and you're going to end up saving money that could be better used for enjoying more at Disney World. Get in touch with us at OrlandoVacation.com to get amazing discounts on tickets and vacation packages. All right, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.